Today, we're diving into a topic that's been gaining a lot of buzz lately, the resurgence of nostalgia. I mean, seriously, nothing beats that good old-fashioned feeling. And guess what? Technology is no exception to this trend. We've seen the comeback of the flip phone, and let me tell you, they're better than ever. Now, don't get me wrong, smartphones are amazing. They can do so much, from browsing the web to taking stunning photos. But sometimes, just sometimes, you find yourself longing for the simpler times. And that's where flip phones come in. They offer a different kind of charm and bring back memories of a time when things were a little less complicated. So, whether you're someone who already owns a smartphone, but wants to experience a blast from the past, or if you're simply drawn to the durability, simplicity, and affordability that flip phones offer, this video is for you. We're here to help you pick the absolute best flip phone on the market right now. Now, let's get started. All the links mentioned in this review video are in the description below. At number 6, we're going to talk about the Sonim XP3 flip phone, specifically the extra loud speakers it boasts. One major advantage is that it works as a two-way radio. This means you can easily communicate with others using the radio functionality of the phone, which can be super handy in certain situations. The Sonim XP3 is only available on Sprint and Verizon networks, so if you're with a different carrier, unfortunately, this phone may not be an option for you. However, it is worth noting that it is also available at Verizon, so if you're with that carrier, you're in luck. Now, let's talk about why the Sonim XP3 is a rugged option worth considering. Not only is it tough and built to withstand some serious wear and tear, but it also comes with an impressive 3-year warranty. So, you can have peace of mind knowing that the phone is designed to handle rough conditions. In terms of performance, the Sonim XP3 supports LTE speeds, ensuring that you can browse the internet, stream videos, and download content without any hiccups. Plus, it features a loud 100 dB speaker, so you won't have any trouble hearing your calls or media playback even in noisy environments. When it comes to storage, the Sonim XP3 packs 8 GB of space, which should be sufficient for most users. However, if you need more, don't worry. It also has a memory card slot, allowing you to expand the storage and store additional photos and music. The camera on the Sonim XP3 is 5 megapixels, which should be decent enough for capturing your everyday moments. In terms of connectivity, it supports 4G LTE, ensuring a fast and reliable connection. And when it comes to talk time, you can expect up to 8 hours of battery life, which should keep you going throughout the day. At number 5, we're going to talk about the best smart flip phone on the market, and that is none other than the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 5G flip phone. One of the great things about the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is that it gives you access to the Google Play Store. That means you can download all your favorite apps and games, just like you would on any other Android device. It opens up a world of possibilities and ensures you have a wide range of options to customize your phone to your liking. Another major advantage of this phone is that it's water resistant. Yes, you heard that right. Unlike most other folding phones out there, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 can handle a splash or two without any worries. So if you accidentally spill your drink or get caught in the rain, you can rest easy knowing that your phone is protected. One of the downsides of the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is that it doesn't have a microSD card slot. This means you won't be able to expand the storage capacity of the phone using an external memory card. So if you're someone who loves to store a ton of photos, video, or other files on your device, this might be a bit of a letdown. But overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a fantastic option if you're looking for a foldable smartphone. It runs on the latest version of Android and is powered by Qualcomm's most powerful processor, ensuring smooth and fast performance. One cool feature of this phone is the ability to split the app's interface, allowing you to have the controls on the bottom half of the display. This can be really handy for things like Zoom calls, taking selfies, or watching videos. And let's not forget about the style factor. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 comes in several vibrant colors, including Bora Purple, Graphite, Pink Gold, Blue, and even a bespoke edition. So you can choose a color that suits your personality and makes a statement. At number 4, we're going to talk about the best phone for T-Mobile users, and that's the CAT S22 Flip Phone. If you're someone who needs a phone that can handle some serious rough and tough situations, then this might just be the perfect option for you. First off, it's fully submersible and chemical resistant. So if you accidentally drop it in water or need to use it in harsh environments, you don't have to worry about damaging it. That's a huge plus for anyone working in industries like construction or outdoor activities. Another great feature is the bigger physical buttons. They're designed in a way that you can easily push them, even if you're wearing gloves. This is incredibly convenient if you work in a profession where you need to keep your hands protected but still want to use your phone. The biggest downside is that it's only available for T-Mobile users. So if you're not on T-Mobile, unfortunately, this phone won't be an option for you. Hopefully, they'll expand its availability in the future. Moving on, the CAT S22 is an absolute tank when it comes to durability. It's built with an IP68 and MIL Spec 810H rating, which means it can handle drops, dunks, and even being washed. CAT claims to have tested the hinge over 150,000 times, and they're so confident in its durability that they offer a 2-year warranty. That's pretty impressive. In terms of specifications, the CAT S22 runs on Android Go and features a speedy Qualcomm quad-core processor. It has 16 GB of storage, and if that's not enough for you, you can expand it using the onboard microSD card slot. Plus, you can expect around 12 hours of talk time before needing to recharge the battery. That should keep you going throughout the day. Now, let's quickly go over the camera and connectivity. The CAT S22 has a 5-megapixel camera, which is decent for basic photos and videos. As for connectivity, it supports 4G LTE, so you can enjoy fast internet speeds on the go. At number 3, we're going to talk about the Kyocera DuraXE LTE Flip Phone. This little device is built like a tank and is perfect for those who want a rugged flip phone that can handle anything you throw at it. First off, its battery performance is really impressive. You'll get a whopping 9 hours of talk time and an incredible 16 days of standby time. So, no need to worry about constantly charging this bad boy. DuraXE is drop-resistant, waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. It can withstand even the harshest conditions, making it a great option for outdoor enthusiasts or people with demanding jobs. One downside is that the software on this phone might feel a bit outdated. It may not have all the bells and whistles of the latest smartphones, but if you're primarily looking for durability and reliability, that might not be a deal breaker for you. Moving on to some key features, the DuraXE has dual front-facing speakers that provide loud and clear sound. Whether you're making calls or listening to music, you won't be disappointed with the audio quality. It also has a microSD card slot, so you can expand the storage and store all your favorite songs. The integrated camera on this flip phone is capable of shooting 5-megapixel stills. It may not be the best camera out there, but it gets the job done if you need to capture some quick memories. In terms of connectivity, the DuraXE supports 4G LTE, so you'll have fast internet speeds wherever you go. Plus, it's compatible with multiple carriers, which gives you more flexibility when it comes to choosing your service provider. If you're on Verizon, you'll be happy to know that they offer a variant of the DuraXE called the DuraXE Extreme. This version comes with 16 GB of internal storage, which should be plenty for storing all your photos and files. However, if you're not a fan of having a camera on your phone, Verizon also sells a variant without a camera. Coming in at number 2 is the fantastic flip phone that's perfect for all you Verizon users out there. It's the Alcatel Go Flip 5 phone, and it's definitely worth checking out. First off, the Alcatel Go Flip 5 can record HD videos. That's right, you can capture your precious memories in high-definition quality. Whether it's a family gathering or a fun day out with friends, you'll be able to relive those moments with crystal clear clarity. Another great thing about this phone is its storage capacity. With 8 GB of storage space, you'll have plenty of room for all your apps, photos, videos, and more. It's a real game changer for those who like to keep their important files close at hand. The only downside to the Go Flip 5 is that it's exclusively available on Verizon. So if you're not a Verizon wireless customer, unfortunately, this phone won't work for you. It's a bit of a bummer, but hey, there are plenty of other options out there. Now, let's talk more about the Go Flip 5 itself. This phone is one of the newest flip phones on the market, packed with some impressive features. The 2-megapixel camera is capable of recording 720p HD videos, giving you decent quality footage for your videos. It may not compete with the latest flagship smartphones, but it's definitely a solid choice for a flip phone. In terms of connectivity, the Go Flip 5 supports 4G LTE and Wi-Fi, ensuring that you can stay connected wherever you go. Plus, it even has a nifty feature that allows you to create a Wi-Fi hotspot. So, if you're on the move and need to connect your laptop or tablet to the internet, this phone has got you covered. But wait, there's more. The Go Flip 5 also comes with GPS and a web browser. That means you can navigate to your heart's content and browse the internet whenever you need to. It's great to see these additional features in a flip phone, giving you a bit more functionality beyond just calls and text. The camera is 2 megapixels. In terms of connectivity, it supports 4G LTE and Wi-Fi. And when it comes to talk time, you can expect around 6.5 hours of usage. Finally, coming in at number 1, we're going to talk about our top pick, Nokia's latest flip phone, the Nokia 2780 Flip. Now, Nokia has been dominating the feature phone market for years, and this little gem is no exception. It's packed with features, it's reliable, and it's got that classic Nokia charm. Let's dive right in. One of the standout features of the Nokia 2780 Flip is its compatibility with LTE or 4G networks, depending on your carrier. That means you can stay connected and enjoy faster internet speeds, making browsing and streaming a breeze. No more waiting around for things to load. Now, let's talk about battery life. The Nokia 2780 Flip is a champion in this department, boasting an impressive 18-day battery life. Yes, you heard that right, 18 days. You can go on a trip, forget your charger, and still have enough power to keep you going. That's a major plus for those who value long-lasting battery performance. When it comes to usability, this phone hits the mark. The Nokia 2780 Flip features big buttons, making it easy to navigate and type, especially for those who prefer a more tactile experience. It's perfect for individuals who may have difficulty with small touchscreen devices. But that's not all. This phone runs on a software called Kyocera, which provides a user-friendly interface. It's reminiscent of the classic Nokia phones we all know and love. However, Nokia has added some modern touches by incorporating popular Google apps such as Google Search, Google Maps, and even YouTube. So, you get the best of both worlds, a nostalgic Nokia experience with the convenience of essential Google applications. Now, let's talk about accessibility. The Nokia 2780 Flip is hearing aid compatible, catering to individuals who rely on such devices. Nokia has made sure that everyone can enjoy their phones without any barriers, and that's something we can appreciate. Last but not least, let's touch on charging. The Nokia 2780 Flip utilizes a USB-C connector, which brings it up to modern charging standards. No more fumbling around with outdated charging cables. Just plug it in and go. The Nokia 2780 Flip may not be the cheapest flip phone on the market, but considering its feature set and reliability, it's definitely worth the investment. Remember, you're getting a high-quality Nokia device with all the bells and whistles. That's all we had for today. Check out the links in the description for pricing and availability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.